Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Lou Ann and welcome to Blackberryrock Homestead. Today is Recipe Friday. So what am I bringing you? I am bringing you another slow cooker recipe. It is called, hold on a second. The recipe is called round steak with rich gravy, which I'm not using round steak because meat is expensive these days. So I am using some deer, just chunks of deer. At least I think that's what it is. So, but I first need to make some of the ingredients up because as you don't know, I do have another channel and I have started on that channel for this year to do a mix of some sort every Saturday, at least try. So let me turn the camera around and let me show you what I'm making. So this recipe calls for 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Well, I've made a mix, and that mix video will be on my other channel, Luann's Kitchen. I don't remember exactly what date it's coming out. But it's cream of anything soup. So this is basically a cream of chicken soup. I added a cup of water and a fourth a cup of broth to this. So now I need to just heat this up until it gets mixed in real good and starts to thicken before we get our next part of the recipe going. My plan was for this cream of mushroom soup that I'm making was to chop up some dried mushrooms. Well, my dried mushrooms was a fail. I did dehydrate them. I put them in a jar, and there was moisture gotten to them somehow. I don't know how, but pretty much wasted the mushrooms. They will go in a compost pile. So this is getting thick, so I'm going to turn that off right now. So I'm going to be doing 2 different things in a crock pot today. So as you notice, I've got a divider in here, and I'm using the plastic bags. This is a trick I learned. We are going to have the beef, well, the deer with gravy on this side, and then we're going to have some baked potatoes, at least a couple of them, on this side. So I'm going to add some onion seasoning, onion soup mix to there, and a fourth a cup of water. Where did I do with my measuring spoon, my measuring cup? Okay, sorry about the jiggling there. Let me get a fourth cup of water added to this, and then we will add our cream of mushroom soup on here, and then let that cook all day. And then probably about the baked potatoes, I will add them later. So I am going to add my cream of mushroom soup that I made, and then put this on low and let it cook. So I added some potatoes. I poked holes all the way around, like if you was going to microwave them. Besides after washing and scrubbing them, I poked the holes. I added a little bit of butter in there. I hope you could see the butter down in there. But I added a little butter. So that is our other deal that we're going to have. The gravy is going to be put over our baked potato. And these need to be cooked for probably 3 to 4 hours, somewhere in there, until they're nice and soft. But this, my round steak and gravy will need to be cooked at least 8 to 9 hours.